market research. Okay, so do your homework. See, why I created this particular session or no, module 3. See, starting a startup is very easy actually. We can start a startup, we can generate the idea, but see, the sustainability is the issue. When we start anything, it should last, it should sustain, it should go to the to certain level, right? We'll talk about all those things, but just I'm giving a brief description. So if you're starting something, it should sustain, and for sustainability you should know thoroughly your market, who is your competitor, why this idea will work, what is a startup, what is a enterprise, what is a who is an entrepreneur, right? Now I'll ask a simple question. Can you differentiate between an enterprise and a startup? This is my simple question. Anybody who can help, or like enterprise I'll say, I'll put in a simple words, enterprise is a company, and startup. So what is the difference between a company or an enterprise? It could be a small enterprise, it could be a large enterprise. Uh, and what is the difference between enterprise and the startup? Anybody, any rough idea? So this is a part of all market research, right? Fundamentals you should know. Why we are going through a startup, what is the difference, what is the entrepreneurship, what is the entrepreneurship development cycle, what is the entrepreneurship ecosystem, who are all your competitors. So this all things you should know. So can anybody tell me what is the difference? हम हमेशा बात करते हैं startup, startup, startup. So what is the difference between enterprise and the startup? Any idea?
Sir, a
And
well-established
enterprise is
organization company is
Correct.
called as
Well done.
enterprise, and a
Right.
startup is also a company, but it is not well established, or it is not. It
Not
is
a
just
well step. Very,
in
very,
yes.
very, very true. So ये सारी चीजें fundamentals we will discuss in this session, so that you should be aware, and then how you should carry out your market research, you know, to make your startup successful. So these all are the topics we'll cover in 2 sessions. So first session will be the fundamentals, and the second session will be little bit on the higher side, basically these strategies, the market research strategies. Normally in a corporate terms, we call it integrated marketing strategies. So anyhow, we'll discuss all those things, right? Very well said that enterprise is a well established kind of setup, and a startup is a company which is searching for the market for the revenues. So anyhow, good. So with this, good morning everyone, and I'll take you through this session. Stay tuned. This is very important session. It will clear all your doubts, all your fundamentals about the startups, enterprise, how it works, where you have to search your market, how to search the market, from idea till searching your market, so that you can sustain. Take problem as an, or this could be, you can generate the idea from a problem because it's an opportunity, and if you get on a better solution which can ease out the life of people, then uh, of course your business will thrive. It'll be on the success, on the track of success, trust me. So this few years back, nobody thought that the vegetables will be delivering at home. So somebody introduced a big basket, or somebody introduced the concept of Amazon. So actually Amazon is nothing. It's not a company. They are not manufacturing anything, all those things. Or Flipkart is not a company. They are service providers. What they are just, so this idea is called, this business model is called a business platform, to be very specific. So what is a business platform? Like this is one of the thriving business in the market, where you are connecting the consumers and the suppliers. So supplier could be a bookshop, a supplier could be a vegetable, supplier could be cloth, right? And the consumers are the people who need. Now some people don't want to, just because of dearth of time, or some traveling issues or traffic issues. Most of people don't like to travel, right? So what they do, they just simply put order on the Amazon, and it'll be getting delivered in 2 days, 3 days. So somebody identified this business platform model, and now this business platform model is thriving. Amazon's, is one of the richest companies in the world. Slowly they diverted themselves into the infrastructure like IT infrastructure services and all. Trying to say here, so somebody identified the business platform model where you can connect the consumers and suppliers, and apart from connecting consumer and supplier, you are giving some value additions to the customers like some cashbacks. If the product is not good, a return policies are there. So all those things, customer feedback, right? Reviews of the product. So these are the value additions. So this thing, so in business platform, there are three things. One is the supplier, another is the consumer, and the third is the business platform owner, or we can call it super admin. Spotting the opportunity, creating the innovative value. This is what we were talking about just now. Amazon or any other company, maybe Alibaba. Same platform. So business platform is a model which is now thriving. And what happened? They just they they identified the problems and they converted them into the opportunities, and they have given some innovative value to the customer along with the product. So now they have a huge customer base. So it's a very simple definition of entrepreneurship. Oh, this is, a very good. Normally, people are not aware, what type of entrepreneurs are, right? So I'll explain you here. You can see or you can note also. There are four type of entrepreneurs in general. One is the innovative, who are very innovative and take high risk, right? The second one is imitative, which are, they are less. They don't take much, innovative steps, but they are risk takers. Right. So, and the Fabian is the person who take less risk and they're more innovative. And the last quadrant is less risk, right? So there are, so you'll ask me who is a drone, right? So suppose, I start a dealership, right, of a car company or a product, a lamp, suppose a bulb. I start, I take a dealership of Havells. So I am taking very less risk, right? I am not innovative. I'm just buying a product from a company and selling into the market. So here in the drone, it could be shops also. It could be some showrooms also, right? So now who is the innovative? So we'll discuss all those things. But there are four categories in general. So you should be aware on which quadrant you lie. Right. So most of the startups will talk about where they lies, in the coming slides. But this you should keep in mind. This is very, important kind of, description of the entrepreneur.